Hello, today we are going to learn Neha's alarm clock and I will explain it again in Mizo. Narrator, ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow. Snuggles under the warm blanket, but she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. Ring 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 aron tia alarm clock chuan zingkara chuan an ron ri ral rala ni hai chuan tho pe lo ti sha takin a mel ti chu a siam danglam vela a beng chu lukham chuan an khu deuh tlata a blanket lum nuam tak noya chuan a han in mu tha so so ma se a tho ngai ani ti a hria a ama le ama chuan in a phun nuwa nuwa ni ha said this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Nihai chuan tihana male makanin bevelani. He alarm clock hi chu zing tin hianin zing daruka hian a ron ria. Min kai tho zia me khuma tang hianin. A fair lo tak zitani. Tun ai re de ulik hizing kara hian mut ka chak thin te reng nen. He sana hian a na hi thengil se kati thin khop me chang hi chuan. Tiani. Narrator, something falls, Neha smiles. Til enga monika atla a. Mo, narrator ti chu thon tu soi tu. Ti nani thon tu soi tu chuan tian ron soi le ta. Til enga moni atla a, ni hai chu. Anui ta sang mai ni. Neha, oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Oh, kasana ti chu alo tla ani mo. Kavahan lom tak em. Naktu ka chuan ka tho tlai thei do na ni hi atia. Narrator, next morning there is no alarm, so Niha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Niha still sleeping. Atuk zing alo ni chuanin alarm ritura nilava. Chuan ni hai chu amu hi la tui takhan amu char mai ni tholo khan ma sengin zing tina ni hai tuk ver biang a local thin sawa te khan local vele ta thunga ni kamizing khan birds wake up dear wake up first sawa te chuan in du tak tho vat le an ron thia narrator ni ha gets up with a start ni hai chu an tho a ni ha oh no if it's not the alarm clock it's these birds, why don't they leave me alone? Oh, alarm clock a rig lo le heng sawa te hi an ni a. Inga tinge ke ma hianin min tir mai lo le atiani. Phun noi le tani. Narrator. Even this wish of Niha's comes true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Niha's room with a warm smile. Tantu sai tu chuan ti hana ron sai chun zom le ni atuk le zing lo ni chuan du thu sam ni hai du thu sam chu ron thleng dik le ta alarm clock arilawa sawa pon lo kal lawa ma sengin mi pakhat dang ni ha in a school atlai al du lo tu kha lo om le ta ni tunge ni in ring thayem o chu chu ni eng lian tak mai khani mo ni eng boxi lian boxi khani ani chuan ni hai room chu ron chhun eng ut me mo anui mel te a eng lum alum nuam tak mai khani ni hai room chu ron chhun eng to ut me ni Niha, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Niha chuanin. Oh, kamit tu na chuan ni min kai thawa enga tinge minom tir mai thei lo le atiani. Narrator, even this wish of Niha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds, so Niha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Thuntu soitu chuan tiana ron tile ta. He du thu sam, Niha du thu sam poi ron thleng dik vele ta atuk le zinga chuan ni chu chhum kara om tatlata Niha I chu anu o ashiat ma lo chuanin nar borin amu hil tani. Mother, wake up, sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. Anu chuanin tiana ron tia mudulu tukmei thovadro iba sinang man lovange ron tia Niha. Oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Ni hai chuan ni thei lo. Enga tinge kanu hian min kai tho le o ati le ani. Narrator, there is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Tontu soi tu chuan tian ron soi le ta. Tu na chuan tlan chana dang reng to lo. Ni hai chu athova a insiam ta a. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Atuk le a chuan eng thil nge lo thleng. Han ngai ruat chin ma te u. Neha wakes up with a start. Ni hai chu aron thowa. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. Asana achuan daruk alo riva maya. She calls out to her mother. Anu chu ankava. Neha, ma who woke me up today. Nu vo in hian tunge min kai tho ti in a hanzota. Narrator, mother smiles. Anu chu anui sanga. Mother, who else? You, of course. Anu chuan in tu dange ni ang nang mamale antia. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Mase keite chu kamuhil siya ingtin nge ka theizo ka atiani. Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Ani le min han shilte ingwangin nge I chun hi chanu dar khat apyangin I eizia. Neha I chuanin. Neha, I feel hungry. Neha I chuanin karila drama atiani. Mother, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Anu chuan tiana zot le a. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Inge tinge zan tin dar kwai mudzia antile a. Neha, because I feel sleepy. Neha I chuan. Achan chu kamuta chua wangin atiani. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Anu chuan tihan tia. Itak sa chunga khanin sana uma. Engti khuna ei tur nge, engti khuna muthil tur nge, engti khuna thole tur nge, ti shil tu che omalom. Atiani, Neha. Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Neha I chuanin. Kaman mo ngai. Kabas nan man lo ka du love. Atiani. Mother, relax, today is Sunday. Anu khanin hadam takin omro vo into Sunday lom. Atiani. Neha. Oh. Atiani. Oh, animo. Ati vele tani.